welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Hello, Hegidira. And you would have seen the Triumph vlog, and I know for the fact that I didn't spend too much of time over there, but it's just that the motorcycle was okay, and the most important part was it was not giving me enough. I'm not a person who picks up motorcycle by features, but also it was not value for money is what I felt. And the worst part is with the desperation that I have to get a motorcycle, the waiting period looks like way beyond my control. It's like over 6.5, or rather, even sometimes I've heard from people it's 9 months. Doesn't matter for me to wait for the motorcycle, but I think service side of things is another mess because a couple of my friends also own a Triumph, so it is not good. And buying a new motorcycle and getting service from another third party is pain in your ass because you will also be compromising on a lot of manufacturing stuff and warranty issues. So with that, so I'm gonna head to the BMW showroom right away. So I have the 850GS or 850GSA Adventure. So either one of those motorcycles is something I'm planning to book, and so I will have to go and see the motorcycles first. You will see in the vlog coming up. So once I see the motorcycle, we'll see how it goes from there. So we are almost reaching BMW showroom. Not the car, but JSP Motorrad motorcycle. So I'm about like 500 meters. So the plan is to go and check the middleweight motorcycle that I'm looking for. So you saw that I saw the Tiger, but I didn't test ride because there was a lot of traffic. I don't think there's no much traffic here, but let's see. It's about 11:30. Not a great time to go and do a test ride, but basically if you're around, you know that the Sony Signal, right? Before that you had Harley Davidson showroom. So in the same place now BMW JSP has come. So we will go to the showroom and then I will catch you up. This is Activa on BMW branding. This is a scooter like Active, something like that. This is fuel tank. Here is the fuel tank. And should I buy the GSA? Do let me know. I'm actually confused and worried a bit about the 1250. 1250 black looks amazing. But yeah, we'll see. And this is their first floor. It's completely here. So I gave a closer look at the motorcycles. Um I think 1250 looks too intimidating for Indian conditions. 850 GS is okay. I think I am very convinced with the motorcycle and the price, but it's just that I want to test ride before I make a booking as well. So there's a lot of queue for the booking as well, and it's been like slightly over 2 weeks when I went out and saw in the showroom, but no good response. JSP boosts about it. They're like awesome people, but I think with that, I mean, either way, let me get the bike, and once I get the bike, I will start vlogging and also see how the motorcycle feels in the coming videos. I think with that, stay tuned. New motorcycle coming in for sure. I'm not gonna hype like other YouTubers and just make a sense of it because motorcycles are very close to my heart, and I will see once I test drive it. I think I'm gonna just book the motorcycle. So with that, I've given enough hints which motorcycle I'm gonna pick. With that, I'll see you another vlog on the content, on the travel story, and take care.